Why it takes 6 months to create only one Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce has remained among the most foremost famous names in engineering throughout the planet. But have you ever wondered why it takes 6 months for it to create only one Rolls Royce? Hey guys, hope you all do great. So here we are back with another video today. We are getting to discuss about why it takes 6 months to create only one Rolls Royce. But before starting with today's video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. So let's begin without jumping on today's topic. Let's know the history of Rolls Royce. History. Rolls Royce Motor Cars Limited was created as an entirely owned subsidiary of B&W in 1998 after B&W licensed the rights to Rolls Royce's name and logo from Rolls Royce. Holdings acquired the right to the Spirit of Ecstasy and Rolls Royce grill-shaped trademarks from Volkswagen AG. Rolls Royce Motor Cars Limited have been manufacturing Rolls Royce branded cars since 2003. Although the Rolls Royce brand has been in use since 1906, the fate of the brand diverged between 1998 and 2003. In 2003, the Rolls Royce Motor Cars subsidiary of B&W AG, which had been a serious supplier to the brand up to 2003, began manufacturing vehicles with the Rolls Royce name. Volkswagen AG took ownership of the Bentley name, also as previous Rolls Royce production facilities and former Rolls Royce designs. Current Chief Executive Torsten Müller-Ötvös joined the corporation in January 2010 with the pledge to regain the standards that made Rolls Royce famous. That year, sales in China increased by 600%, making it the company's second largest market after the US. Craftsmanship. Every few luxury automakers actually make their cars by hand, but the Rolls Royce assembly line is made around traditional craftsmanship. Enhanced by the state-of-the-art technology, as an example, you'll find leather artisans treating and dealing premium bull leather by hand, then precisely cutting each bit with laser-guided cutting equipment. Still, some processes simply can't be enhanced by technology. Cutting corners isn't an option, so Rolls Royce employs 4 professional detailers to spend 3 to 4 hours only for polishing process alone. The Rolls Royce factory shows the car building process in order that each element could also be crafted to a T. As soon as you step into a Rolls Royce factory, you'll feel the difference within the calm, productive flow of labor. Small teams specialize in one area, like seat upholstery, interior sliding, and dashboards. You'll say that the Rolls Royce factory is technically a production line, but in practice it's far more of a team of artisans combining their skills to make something remarkable. You'll know surely that a team of experts had the time and freedom to supply their absolute best work. Manufacturing. 6 months. Most Rolls Royce vehicles take 6 months to create because they're handcrafted by brilliant designers, engineers, and technicians. They're also highly customizable and should include materials that are handpicked by you. The owner of the unique Rolls Royce vehicle, customize your Rolls Royce with premium materials. Customization. Every Rolls Royce is often customized consistent with the needs of a customer's. Every new Rolls Royce is often customized consistent with your wants and preferences. From the outside paint color from the inside materials used, you select how you would like your Rolls Royce to seem and feel. Here are just a couple of samples of what exactly you'll customize in your new Rolls Royce car or SUV. Color palette. The Rolls Royce brand contains 44,000 standard colors available for service paint jobs. Some customers even create and name their own color, making the Rolls Royce entirely one of a kind forever. Starlight headliner. The within of your car's roof can contain lights to resemble the starlit sky. You also rearrange those lights to make any constellation you desire, or maybe you have the night sky from a crucial day placed on your interior, such because the night sky from when your child was born. Embroidery or tattoos. Does one have a family crest that you want to pick up in your vehicle? Have any symbol embroidered or tattooed on the leathery upholstery? You'll even have it set into the wood veneer. Only the simplest materials. The exotic woods come directly from the source and are kept at the right temperature and humidity levels. The leather comes from young bulls that are kept on farms with no barbed wire fences, high altitudes, and barns for nightmare rest. Special materials like alligator skin, ostrich pelts, and more are often added as requested. You'll even prefer to have wood taken directly from your family woods to form your interior truly legendary. Melting technology. Rolls Royce makes use of additive layer manufacturing, ALM specifically. Rolls Royce has been used beam melting technology, EBM. This technology is different from selective laser sintering or selective laser melting because it used focused beams to heat the powder past freezing point and fuse subsequent layers to each other. Beating the previous sales records from 1978, the strong sales growth occurred within the Asia Pacific region, Britain, and therefore the Middle East, with sales increase of 47%, 30%, and 23% respectively. Thanks to personalized facility and handcrafted technology for development of every product, it takes around 6 months for manufacturing one Rolls Royce. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the next 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.